afternoon, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus some Norwex versus that's dirt. And in some areas, it doesn't come off, even if you scrub. Now, I've actually sprayed the floor, rather doused the floor with a mixture of the liquid laundry detergent and the, whatchamacallit. Actually, it would be the new laundry detergent. 4 squirts of that in a Gatorade bottle, 5 actually, and and about 3/4 of a scoop of the laundry, powdered laundry. I think it might be the new and improved one. I don't remember, but yeah, that to some water, and then I sprinkled it around, and you can see where it kind of dropped and was left there. It took the grime off really easily. Look, this is like years and years of dirt, and I tried to get this off before by hand, and it was just not bunging. See, there's a spot there that's a little bit more work, but look. watch. And that wasn't hard. See? Ooh, like that. This floor was actually quite dirty to begin with. I didn't realize it because all that gray is not color of the tile. It's deep dug, ground in dirt. And see, there's a spot right there that hasn't had the stuff sitting on it, and it's kind of difficult. This is saturated in it, so it might take it off quite easily compared to like just a plain water. See that? And it comes off. And this has actually not been sprayed that much or at all, I think. Let's see. Move this out of the bed a little bit more to get to a spot where I'm pretty sure there wasn't any. Yeah, see, that area is not. This is with a little bit of the stuff on here, but not sitting. And you can see it's quite difficult to get it off. Whereas where it's been sitting, and yes, I know it's not good to let water sit in cracks like that, but frankly there was some contraband peeing. One of the cats likes to pee on things. So I'd rather have it sit in there and the enzymes dissolve. Ooh, look at that. And have the enzymes dissolve the urine and worry about it lifting a little bit than to leave it there. So I'm upset, I guess. But watch. Ooh. Look at that, it just lifts it, and look, my hands are fine. That's, the red is not painful. It's just been working. Look at that, see, and there's a spot that it wasn't coming up because I didn't put the spray on it. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Norwex wins again. Look at that, as a floor cleaner. And like I said, there is laundry detergent in there. I'm going to try a batch with just the, the liquid laundry detergent is in here too. I'm going to try a batch with just the powdered stuff, which is an all-purpose cleaner as well as the laundry detergent. See, look here, you can see where it had been sitting and where it's not sitting. See? Amazing. And here, you can see how dirty it is. And it's not coming up because it hasn't been sitting with the Norwex on it. But yeah, folks. That's something else, I gotta say. I'm very, very impressed, and it's not hurting my hands. It's very mild smell. Smells like detergent, basically. Good, or dry detergent, powder detergent. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Just comes up like nothing. And it doesn't look like it's damaging the floor at all. That's just spreading dirt, because it's so filthy now. But yeah, pretty impressed, huh? Tell me what you think, if you've tried this or if you plan to try it now, and if you have any cleaning tips with the Norwex products. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, criticisms, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And I wish everybody a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous.